The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear.
Okay, hello guys, so today I'm going to unboxing this DJI Ronin SC gimbal. So right now I got this one. I'm so excited about this, and this is my first time. Okay, now I'm going to unboxing this product. So let's go and open it. Okay, I have been waiting for this one for a month. You can see this is a box, DJI Ronin SC. Okay, this is the suitcase. This is the oh my god, look, this is some menu. And okay, wow, this is very good. ये अच्छे से पैकिंग करके दिया है मुझे. ओ माय गॉड, इसका प्रोडक्ट का फील ही अलग है जो इसका अभी हमको पकड़ कर लग रहा है ना. Okay, this one battery. This is battery. Okay, I have no idea about this product. How can I, okay, I have to, this is the main thing. This is the main thing. Okay. ओके, लोग देखें हम कितना ही होगा और नहीं होगा पता नहीं हमको. इसका लॉक इतना ही होगा और होगा फुल होगा क्या? So I've got, this is the DJI SC. So you can see here, this is the main thing, motor. Okay, I'm going to connect, and so you can see here, this is the handle. It's very compact, You can use this gimbal for wedding photoshoot and traveling vlogs, everything. And you can see here 1 to 3 mode, and this is manual, and this is recording. If you throw your gimbal, you can record, and this is the, you can control your cable. Okay, quickly I'm going to connect this one. This is a battery, this is very good battery. You can first time, it was so difficult for me to connect, but and you can check your battery through this switch. I think this battery gives you 11 hours. Yeah. Okay, here you go. So this is a gimbal. So I'm going to show you some videos photos through this gimbal, And this is the very good, you know, I've been using almost one month, so I haven't got any problems. And these are things you get to connect your phone, you know. This is a cable, you know, you can connect here. This is the thing, this cable goes here, and this one in your camera C type. So I'm going to put here, not right now using this one. Okay, I definitely recommend you. So I definitely recommend you to buy this one, you know, good, and I've been using, there's no problem, and so it is good. So I definitely recommend you to use this one, you know. This is the beginner who start their cinematics for and wedding shots, so they can go for this one, and I've been using this one, so I haven't got any problems yet, and this works very goodly. If you want to see video, then go check it out. I've been using this one for my cinematics. So this is the budget, you know, budget gimbal you can use, and but it has no features. So that is because it is the, you know, beginner DJI first gimbal. So you can go for DJI, you know, new version also. But if you are one low budget, then you can go this one. But if you, when you hold this one, you can feel it is very, you know, this thing is very good. You can feel this is the premium, you can, the quality so premium, I can feel it, you know, premium. And
like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season.
so I'm not using gimbal right now. You have seen these are videos, this is handheld video. I'm not using my gimbal, and if you want to see the footage of the gimbal using, then go check it out, my cinematic shorts, you will see. Okay, and thank you, bye bye, take care.